Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can turn picture crop and change the background only with your iPhone and Instagram application. So first thing you have to do is just make sure that you already upgrade your system of iOS on your phone, and after you do that you just need to open the photos. In this photos you just need to find the pictures that you want to edit right here. I will let you do with this. So here you just need to take a look on this object. You just need to tap and hold on the top of the object. Again, tap and hold, and there will be like start shining glaze on the object, and then just need to tap into the copy. Now you just need to go back into your home screen and open your Instagram application. Swipe your Instagram into the right side, so you will got the Instagram story camera. Now you just need to capture the random photo right here. Right after you got the pictures. Okay, my bad. Right after you got the picture, now you just need to tap into this three small dot and go click draw. And this draw section, you just need to pick the color that you want to use right here. So let's say here I would like to use pink. You just need to tap and hold the screen and you will get this. And if you want to get more color inside of it, you just need to pick the other color, and then you just need to go pick another color and then swipe on the screen. And then you just need to like scratching the screen with the color. The next thing you need to do is just go click done. Now we need to tap into this alphabet, tap into the cursors and click paste to add the object. You'll see now we got this object is being pasted into our new background. You can just do the rest if you want to get more than one picture on this new background. So you just need to customize the size as well as the position for the object that you want to place right here. And right after you're done, you just need to go click the three small dots and go click save. Now this picture gonna be saved into your phone. So simple and easy. Hopefully you easy understand this tutorial, and let's meet again in the other tutorial.